Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience with the software. Today, we're taking a closer look at TaxCycle, a tax preparation software found at TaxCycle.com. This platform offers a range of tools designed to streamline the process of preparing and filing taxes, catering to both individuals and professionals. While the website itself doesn't delve into exhaustive detail about every single feature, it provides a solid overview of the core functionalities and benefits TaxCycle brings to the table. Navigating the site, you'll find sections dedicated to different user groups, allowing you to quickly identify the specific tools and resources relevant to your needs. Whether you're a seasoned tax professional or an individual looking for a user-friendly solution, TaxCycle seems to offer options for various levels of expertise. The site highlights key features such as its intuitive interface, comprehensive tax form coverage, and integrated research tools. They also emphasize the platform's commitment to security and staying up to date with the ever-changing tax landscape. For those interested in exploring TaxCycle further, the website offers resources like webinars, FAQs, and contact information for sales and support. It's clear they are aiming to provide a robust platform combined with accessible resources to help users maximize its potential. One aspect I appreciate is the emphasis on efficiency and automation, which can be crucial during tax season. While the specific pricing details aren't readily apparent on the main page, potential users can easily request a demo or contact the sales team to discuss their specific requirements and obtain a personalized quote. Overall, the TaxCycle website presents a professional and informative overview of their tax software, encouraging visitors to explore further and discover how it can simplify their tax preparation process. They seem to understand the complexities of tax preparation and are striving to provide a solution that addresses those challenges. Further investigation and hands-on experience with the software itself would certainly be the next step to fully assess its capabilities and determine if it's the right fit for your individual or business needs. I encourage you to visit TaxCycle.com and explore the platform yourself. You can also find more information and resources in the description below. Don't forget to check out the FAQs and other supporting materials on their website for a more in-depth understanding. They even offer resources tailored to different regions and tax scenarios, ensuring you get the most relevant information.